In newspaper, we read a term opaque fleet tankers. The opaque tanker fleet refers to vessels involved in Russian, Iranian and Venezuelan crude oil and petroleum products trade. The term is in news due to sanctions imposed by international powers, particularly the US. Recently, GPAY members have signed New Delhi Declaration. So what is GPAY? Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, abbreviated as GPAY, is an international initiative established to guide the responsible development and use of artificial intelligence. It was first proposed by Canada and France in 2018, officially launched in 2020, hosted by Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Currently, it has 29 members, including India, and China is not a member. Recently, government has allowed traders to bid for more rice under open market sale scheme. So what is OMSS? The administration of OMSS falls under the jurisdiction of Food Corporation of India, which operates under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Under the OMSS scheme, FCI sells surplus stock of wheat and rice to traders, bulk consumers and retail chains at predetermined prices through e-auction. The OMSS is to enhance the supply of food grains. The purpose of OMSS is to dispose of surplus stock of wheat and rice held by FCI and to regulate their prices in the open market. It is conducted weekly on the platform of the National Commodity and Derivative Exchange Limited. In September, India launched Aditya L1 mission. Let's learn about it. It is developed by Indian Space Research Organization. It is India's first spacecraft-based observatory to study the Sun. It has 7 distinct payloads, all developed indigenously. It is placed in a halo orbit around Lagrange point L1 of Earth-Sun system. This location enables it to access radiation without any influence from Earth's magnetic field. Lagrange points are a location in space where gravitational forces of two celestial bodies such as Earth and Sun are in equilibrium. This allows objects placed there to remain stable. NASA's Parker Solar Probe is the first spacecraft to fly into the Sun's corona to study its atmosphere. Also, Parker Solar Probe is the first spacecraft to ever enter the Sun's atmosphere. Recently, the Five Eyes was in news. Let's learn about it. Five Eyes is an intelligence alliance comprising of Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom and United States. It was formed after the Second World War. Initially, UK and USA signed the agreement in 1946. Then Canada joined in 1949. New Zealand and Australia became part of it in 1956, forming the alliance. In 2016, the Five Eyes Intelligence Oversight and Review Council came into being. India-led Global River Cities Alliance was launched at COP28. Let's learn about it. GRCA, led by National Mission for Clean Ganga under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Countries namely India, Egypt, Netherlands, Denmark, Ghana, Australia, Bhutan, Cambodia, Japan and international funding agencies like World Bank, Asian Development Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank are partner under it. GRCA is a unique alliance covering 275 plus global river cities in 11 countries and international funding agencies. The launch of GRCA signifies a momentous step in global effort towards river conservation and sustainable water management. During COP28, first global stocktake, abbreviated as GST, was carried out. So let's learn about it. Global stocktake is an assessment of where the world was in its fight against climate change and what more needed to be done. The GST is mandated by the Paris Agreement to be a periodic exercise, the first in 2023 and every 5 years thereafter. Recently, Maharashtra state government has filed curative petition in Supreme Court against the Maratha quota judgment. Let's learn about curative petition. Curative petition is filed under Article 137, which gives Supreme Court power to review its own judgments. The concept was evolved by Supreme Court in the matter of Rupa Ashok Hurra versus Ashok Hurra in 2002. It is filed after the review petition is dismissed, and there is no time limit to file the curative petition.